Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Shatakshi.
And yesterday I've sent the work to you also and on the group also.
Yes, on the class group also and to me also. Thank you so much for the work.
On today we will start a new chapter.
Yes, beta. When are you planning to come to school from, Shatakshi?
Ma'am, I don't know. My father will be going. Ma'am, he said that I will be going when the offline classes will be finished.
What?
When there will be not online classes because after some days I will go to my
So let that day come now.
grandma house. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think today only you are there. Beta, today we'll be doing the workbook.
She, okay,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, take out your workbook. We'll be doing that today. I think only you are there today in the class. So,
And Vidushi and Abhay was also there in last class. They are not.
hmm. Which page in workbook? What is the page number?
Ma'am, 21 page number. Ma'am, we have done till fourth question.
You have
Ma'am, it
done,
was
yes, fourth question you've done. Okay. Now the fifth exercise. Start doing the fifth one.
okay. Ma'am.
First, just try to unjumble the words that are given, and then we are going to match them with the pictures.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Vidushi. Beta, open your workbook to page number 22.
No, Anjali, I'm coming in a minute to bring it. I have to bring it.
Okay, Shatakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Being able to do the fifth one, beta? Fifth exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unjumbled all the words?
No, ma'am. Only the fifth part is left. I'm doing that.
Okay.
All rest all are done.
All right.
Do you know I find new words of French from Google.
You have found new words in French.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday night I always do this.
Acha. Which words did you find, beta?
I'm like tree and when we have not started the second chapter, so I have found the balloon, the woods,
Okay, very nice. Wonderful.
and I'm like, Mom, I found all, but I'm not able to understand that which word is fifth.
Fifth word, yay. The one that is IMONAS. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
sorry, ma'am, but I'm not able to find my workbook. I'm only having my normal book that we read from.
But yesterday you had it now. You did 2 exercises in the book yesterday, isn't it?
Ma'am, I have the French book in which we read and all, but I don't have my workbook today. I don't have it.
You had it yesterday, I'm asking this. Did you have it yesterday?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Beta, you must have kept it somewhere. Now, where have you
Ma'am,
kept
but
it?
ma'am, I have put it in my cupboard only, but I can't find it.
You cannot find it right now. Now, Vidushi, then
Yes,
you have to find it later, beta.
okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Try to find it and
Ma'am, can I listen till
yes,
then
yes, yes.
and note it?
Yes, you can listen to what is being taught. Okay, Shatakshi, the fifth word is beta, maison, MAISON. Now, what is a maison? I'm sure you know it. Yes?
Maison.
What is a maison?
Mama house.
Huh?
Mama house.
Yes, it's a house. And what is the B one? What did you write for the B one?
An arbre. Ma'am means
Okay.
tree.
Yes.
Ma'am, A
R.
R B R E.
Very good. ARBRE. Now you have matched all these with the pictures. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving on to the next one. Remplissez les blancs et retrouvez le nom. Then this is
Missing
again
number.
a very simple.
I'm missing word.
This is again a very simple exercise, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I will do it.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can you give us a test of French by, ma'am, I was saying, can you give us a test on the quizzy.com?
Quizzy.com. What is Quizzy.com?
What is that?
What is
Excuse me,
Quizzy.com?
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is a .com on which you can make a test.
Okay, I'll try beta. I'll find it. I'll find out how it is done on that. Okay.
You can share the screen so I can tell you how can you make a test here.
Yes, Shatakshi asked.
Ma'am, I'm saying that can I send a pic of 6 questions so that Vidushi can also do it?
I was doing that only. I just want to know, Vidushi, your section is
Ma'am, 6th A.
6th A. Okay. I'm sending you the picture of the question which you have to do.
Ma'am, I have your personal number also. Can you send here?
Beta, now I have sent it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
हाँ है ना? Try to do it there.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying, can you do it? Can you try it?
Beta, not now.
Uh,
Not now. After the class, I'll try it.
I'm done.
Done. Very good. Then after that, the next one. Posez la question et écrivez la réponse selon l'exemple. First, you have to frame a question. Then you have to write the answer also, like the example that is given.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Shatakshi, do one thing after doing this exercise. Na? Send the picture of this page to me so that I can see how you've done it.
Okay, ma'am.
Shaurya Patel. Not connected to the audio.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we say a table
Table. Table
in
only. Spellings are same. C'est une table.
French.
Table. C'est une table.
Okay, ma'am.
Vidushi, have you done that page?
I'm done.
No, I'm asking to Vidushi.
What, ma'am?
Have you done the page that I have sent on the class group?
No, I'm doing.
Okay.
Excuse
Please
me,
check.
ma'am.
Yes.
Can you tell me the meaning of ma'am? There is the fifth exercise. I can't understand what we have to do. Actually, I have done the next one that you have written also there.
Better see, in this one, what you're supposed to do is, firstly, you have to, in the fifth exercise, you have to unjumble these words. Okay? After unjumbling the words, you have to match them to their correct pictures.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, and Shatakshi,
Thank you, ma'am.
yes. The spelling of shares is wrong. It is E in the end. Yun shares. You have put double S. Rest is all correct. Kiesa Setan Garson. I thought it's a lady. It's a boy. I don't know. I have written it's a man. Oh, it's a woman. Qui est ce sont des filles? Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un table. And qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des styles.
Ma'am, it's a
Yes.
ma'am, are you saying?
Okay, and table, beta, table, what is the gender of table in French? It is?
Ma'am, feminine.
Yes, it's feminine gender, Shatakshi. C'est une table.
Ma'am, what is the word of the B1, the BRARE? So what can we make the word from it?
The word is ARBRE, arb. That is a tree.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shatakshi, coming on to the eighth one. Shaze Lanthriu. Start doing it.
Ma'am, what we have to do in this?
Oh, I have to tell you the meaning of this question. I thought you already know it. Okay, Shaze Lanthriu means to choose the odd one out. Okay.
Yeah.
Now see, apply your mind and see which is the odd one out according to you in these.
Ma'am, the third picture is a girl or a boy. Can you tell me?
It is a girl.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, only in the third one, last part, ES. Ma'am, what is that?
Last part, ES. Okay. ES. Now, beta, what are all these? Som, son, eth, ES. They are all conjugated forms of eth verb, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So in the first one, which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, the last avion. Ma'am, because it is a air transport.
Yes, very good. Air transport, avion. In the second one,
Ma'am, I was confused in the second one, so I mark mirror.
okay, you have done mirror. Okay, let me see. Maison is house. Fleur is flower. Moto is a
Yes,
bike. And miroir is a mirror, right? So
mirror.
mirror.
Yes, ma'am.
I think here what they have done, there is no close connection between any four, like all four of them. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we can also do fleur as the odd one out because rest three start with letter M, and this is starting with letter F. Either this could be one of the
House.
possibilities. Listen,
Okay, ma'am.
either
Yes,
this
ma'am.
could be one of the possibilities, or the second possibility is just wait. It could be based on the gender. So let me just check if it is actually that. Okay. Here, Mirua, no. Okay. This is the odd one out. The last one, Mihrua. Why? Because it is masculine gender. Based on
Okay,
masculine
ma'am.
gender, it is odd one out, rest. All three are feminine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next one.
Ma'am, ESS. Ma'am, because all are the part of to be at through.
Yes. So, which is the odd one out?
Ma'am, S.
No.
Ma'am, at.
Ethru.
Ma'am,
Eth is the odd one out.
all are the part and at is a to
Infinitive.
that only.
Eth is infinitive form of the verb, while all are conjugated forms of the verb. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then in the fourth one, tabo.
Ma'am, get you.
Very nice. Gato. While all three are, rest of the three are
Ma'am,
stationary
1 minute,
items.
one call is coming.
And gato is an eatable. Okay, perfect. Now, what you have to do, read through way, sorry, re through way, le no. Now, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to find the words,
Yes, ma'am.
but in French, we have to write them. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I will write it.
Yes. Vidushi, beta, you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Now do the next one. The next one also I have shared the pic.
No, ma'am, I don't get it. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I didn't get that pic.
You haven't got the pic. Okay. Now see.
Yes, ma'am, I got it now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I remember that a cave is known as Clay, ma'am, CLE. Ma'am, is it correct?
Which one?
Ma'am, a key.
Key.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Key is CLE, clay. We call it clay.
Okay.
Beta, have you done it?
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm confused in this one exercise.
What, Vidushi?
Ma'am, I'm not able to do this one exercise that I have to put them in a correct order.
Are you talking about the eighth exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, see.
No, ma'am, ninth one.
Okay, which one? Which are you not being able to solve? Tell me.
Ma'am, when we are doing horizontal, the first one, after that, the second one, I am not able to do.
Second horizontal or second vertical?
Ma'am, horizontal.
So what is a bird called in French?
Ma'am, I didn't remember it.
Oiseau.
Ma'am, can I?
It is an
Oiseau.
yes. So write down
Okay,
oiseau.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the train called in French?
What is what called?
Ma'am, train.
Train is train. Train. We call it a train.
Ma'am, and the spelling is same.
Sorry?
Ma'am, the train spelling is same or
Yes, it is
change?
the same, beta. It is the same.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Okay. So the first one is student. So what have you written for student?
Ma'am, étudiant.
Etudiant. Etudiant. Etudiant.
Ma'am, I'm coming in a minute.
Okay, Vidushi. Etudiant. Then bird is
Ma'am, it was OISEA. I
yes,
forgot.
oiseau. Bird is oiseau. Then we come on to the third one. Key is called a
Ma'am, clay.
clay.
Ma'am, clay.
Clay, very good. Then next one, cycle. What is the cycle called?
Ma'am, willow. Ma'am,
Bellow. Very nice. Then bag.
Ma'am, sack.
Sack.
SAC.
And then the last one, what is it? Train.
Ma'am,
Train
truck.
is train. Train. Now the last exercise of this chapter. For the rest of the time, just do it. I'm sure you know what is to be done in it. Oh, you've already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. So that is all for today, beta. Now in the next class, coming class, we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay, there is no point starting the chapter now because hardly any time is left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can leave the meeting. Let Vidushi be here. If she joins back, I'll tell her to do the remaining work.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Vidushi, now you have done exercise 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
exercise 9?
Ma'am, I will just search them all and then I will send it to you at evening and all.
No, but do it right now. No? Time is left. Still 4 minutes are left. You can do it now.
Okay, ma'am.
Which one are you not being able to find?
Ma'am, the belt find where I can write it.
Yes, only the writing part is missing. Just write it down in 2 minutes and finish it off.
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, my last one is remaining. Can you tell me the meaning of train in French?
Beta, train in French is called train with the same spelling. Only there is a difference in pronunciation.
Tran.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
with the same spelling.
Ma'am, can you tell me the bird one once again? Actually, I have not written it.
Oiseau. O-I-S.
O-I-S.
E-A-U.
E-A-U.
Yes,
Okay,
oiseau.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I've done. So can I leave the meeting now?
Yes, beta. Now you can leave.
Thank you.
And next class we'll start new chapter.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye.